Hello YouTubers, I'm going to show you today how to clean a battery terminal. These ones are not too bad, but I'm going to be checking to make sure that they're working good. It was giving me some issues. It was dying overnight, so I was thinking that this may be loose, or this might be needing some cleaning. So today we're going to show you how to clean these terminals. So first we're going to get rid of that screw. There's another screw underneath there to open up this or take off the terminal. Alright, so I loosened it up already, but I'm going to take it off. I can remove this, and now we're going to remove the terminal right there, and we're going to use a tool like this where you can pick up a Canadian Tire or anywhere. This right here opens up, and you can use this part of the tool for inside of the cable here, and then this part of the tool right there would be for the actual post. So basically, to clean the post, you remove this out of the way, you place this inside of the post, and you turn it to make sure that it cleans all of the post, and then you pull it out, and as you can see, this is much better. It's nice and clean. And now I'm going to open up the other end of the tool to clean the actual inside of the cable right here. You twist it until you get it nice and shiny. Okay, so as you can see inside, it's cleaner inside here, so that it makes a better contact. Once you have cleaned that, you can just go ahead and put it right back in there. You gotta make sure that it's all the way in, that is making good contact. You can put this cable, make sure that it's nice and clean in both sides. Oops. And you can put it right there. So what you want to do is tighten up the bottom one so you can get better access. Okay, so there's this right there underneath it. You're gonna give it a good tightening right there. Once that's nicely tight, we're gonna do this top one right here and do exactly the same thing. Okay, we're gonna cover it back again, and this one's ready to go. It's kind of broken, so I just put it there just to cover it, so make sure that nothing touches it. And we're gonna do exactly the same thing on the negative terminal. We wanna loosen this up. It's a little tight, so I'm gonna use the wrench right here to make it easier on my weak hands. Okay, now it's loose. We're gonna do exactly the same thing to clean the terminals. So as you can see inside, it's dirty, so we're gonna give it a good cleaning in there. So do it as much as you can until you can see that it's nice and clean. Now you can see that the actual copper is showing, which means that now you're going to get a better contact with the terminal. Once you're satisfied that that's cleaned, now we're going to do the same thing to the post. If you can see, the post is it's not too bad, but it does need a little bit of cleaning. So you do exactly the same thing. You turn it until it's clean all the way down, and then you pull it out and now if you can see the difference, it's much cleaner. I'm gonna give it another quick one. Okay, so now we can put everything back together. Make sure it goes all the way down to get a better contact. Now we're gonna tighten it up. Nice and tight, so it doesn't get loose, so you get a good connection. And you're good. So that's how you clean your terminals for your battery to make sure they're having a good contact. Okay, if you have any questions, any comments, please post.